We're back with another super awesome farm kid tip. Today we'll be discussing about our Keyhole Gardens. Come on, let's go see them. These are really good for if you are in a hot, dry place. This Keyhole Garden is made out of bricks from Habitat for Humanity. It was a great deal, but we have found a new solution to make another keyhole. The mortar hasn't held very well with the bricks, which is why we use cinder blocks on the other one, and so it's coming apart here, which we do not want, because then the dirt can fall out and ants can get in and all kinds of bad stuff. So we have some basil and cilantro in here. There's kale and cabbage too. There's spinach and one leek plant. Then we have some Brussels sprouts. And my particular favorite would be the kale or the Brussels sprouts because they're just the best kind of food ever. This is the second keyhole we built, and as you can see, it's made out of cinder blocks. We have stacked it 4 cinder blocks high, which is just below our waist level. In this keyhole, we have some cucumbers growing, and those should start producing in a little bit. And then we have some tomato plants and some pepper plants. Once these crops are done, we have to add some more mushroom compost. And the mushroom compost is dirt that the mushrooms have been grown in first, and then there's wheat straw, decayed wheat straw. Our tip on these gardens would be just to build one and to plant in it a lot. They help to produce a lot of fruits and vegetables. And you put your compost in the center, and when you water it in that center basket, because the water that picks up nutrients from the compost in there, and it helps to spread it out to the other plants so that they all get the nutrients. We have this netting wire stuff around it so no animals like chickens or cats get in here. We made this door come like that. You get that. And then we made this one to be able to just compost consists of, it's just all your leftovers except for meat, dairy, and meats, and citrus. Like you can put eggshells and cucumbers and lettuce. We put all kinds of stuff in it. We also put, if we have any dead plants, if they're not citrus, if we have any dead plants, we put them in there. So the nutrients from them go down into the garden. And that's our garden. So see you all next time for another super awesome farm kid tip. Bye! Bye, 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 bye.